Not every house is ready to sell. Sometimes the right move isn't listing it as is, but transforming it into a property that buyers can't resist. That's where we provide real value. Our approach goes beyond just identifying investment opportunities. By staying in constant communication with buyers and hosting countless open houses, we have a deep understanding of what buyers are looking for. What makes our input so valuable is the fact that we stay in constant contact with today's buyers. So we know what they're looking for and what they value the most and what is not as important to them as someone may think. And we share that knowledge with our clients while they're working on the renovation. We guide them through every step of the process, from the acquisition to the demolition to the design and the finishing touches. This is the kind of work we do behind the sale. We have a selection of the material, we have the concept here, and like the streets here. And this is essentially, like what you saw, we configure the kitchen. So this is the existing house right now. And then this is the addition to the house. This is important because ultimately it will be our responsibility to sell the property. So we want to make sure that we bring something to the market that we are proud of. Something that I've done recently, which I think is very valuable, my clients ask me, should we do 4-bedroom or 3-bedroom? So what I did is a market research of sales of 4 bedrooms home and 3 bedrooms home. And they say, look, the difference is, in this case, the difference was $75,000. And that's kind of what I was talking about when I say that we provide the information so that the contractor, the homeowner, the investor make the right decision. There is a great joy in creating functional and beautiful living spaces. Our process works very well both with homeowners who decide to renovate prior to selling the property, as well as with investors who purchase property for the sole purpose of renovating and reselling. It's not just about flipping properties. It's about creating homes that resonate with today's buyers while delivering exceptional results.
Thank you for watching. To find out more, visit everyla.com.